That's it right there.
Today I'm going to do a short hike in Santa Clarita, California, to a waterfall. I will not disclose the name or location of this waterfall. I'll let you decide which waterfall this is. Alright, I'm at the trailhead. I don't think my hiking partner is going to show up. So I'm probably going to just go ahead and film this unplanned hike in Santa Clarita. It's to a cascading waterfall. It's like in the middle of like a forest. I'm not going to disclose the location, but I'll let you figure out where it's at. So it's going to be in this private property, and just be very careful, but it's going to be up there, up in these parking lot. I will not say the name of this waterfall. I'll let you figure it out, just, you know, for the fun of it. But you do come down that dirt road and you park up behind the white gated fence. All right, so you can see the creek right there on this side right here. We're just gonna head up there somewhere. This is a really easy hike, really short, and you are surrounded in a canyon. Very peaceful hike, very easy to do, so you could take kids on this hike as well. So on the other side of this canyon, I believe there's actually a lake up around here somewhere. So maybe later on I'll go and check it out, get some aerial footage of that lake. All right, so now we're on more of a primitive type trail. So there's gonna be like a lot of creek crossings and rocks around here. But I just love this trail right here. Amazing. Oh, it looks like got a friendly pet. So you got this nice little creek coming up, all these trees. And unfortunately, there's a lot of graffiti on these rocks. So there's nothing I can really do about that. Just try to keep this place clean. And you can see a nice little waterfall, one of the first ones coming up. So we're just gonna climb over these rocks and boulders, and we're gonna get to one or two more perhaps. And you can see these nice cool rock formations just up above the canyon right here. Just amazing. All right, so I'm just gonna go come over these rocks and boulders and just kind of maneuver my way up through here. So the first waterfall right there. I'll get up a little closer to it. Now I'm gonna go up through this little thing right here, and there should be one more, I believe. So we gotta do some boulder scrambling a little bit here. All right, so I just came up through there. I don't have my tripod, so I'm just gonna go ahead and point to where I came up through. But I'm gonna go ahead and head up through here, and there should be one more. But man, there's just graffiti everywhere. It's crazy. All right, here it is. The last one is kind of like a Twin Falls sort of thing, but it just goes all the way down here, down, back into the canyon. So this is relatively close to private property, so in theory, I could always come out through here and walk back to my car. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. That's it right there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.